Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
In order to inform all the general public, you know, when God says yes, no one can say no. Today, when you come to a level of greatness, you begin to now experience this set. God is so faithful. Jeremiah is so grateful. It's so grateful in order to inform all the general public. You know, when God says yes, no one can say no. Today, when you come to a level of greatness, you begin to now experience these things of triumph. The Lord told me, go and build my house. But I did not listen to the word of the Lord. Build my house, my church. I refused to build the church. But today, nobody let me know, and nobody will tell me to build this house now. So all these things are happening right now with the glory of God. The glory of God. Right now you can see nothing, no casualty. You can see now, no casualty, nothing. If you go to my side, there's no longer. If you go to my district, the Lord showed me something. He said, build my church. Build my church. But I was refused to to build the church of God. Even last week, he also warned me again, go and build my church. This is not the church of Jeremiah, because the Lord has given me the church building. We have already drawn the architectural drawing. It has been drawn, and also we wanted to do so. But I was a person that who also, no, it's a stubborn. No, when the man of God stubborn, God begin to stubborn with them. So today, God now told me to now, what he promised me that I refused to go ahead with it before. But right now, I cannot disobey him again. I want to build the church of God. So today I am here to inform all the people out there that Vice President of God, this is a builder. It will not take a long time. I'm going to build the Church of God without wasting time. Let me let you know, viewers all over. You know, this is a partners hall. Partners. Yes. That's the name. Partners hall. Do you know that all the properties that I have today, worth of billions and trillions, bets, I never build the house of God. How can God be happy? So God told me that I should build this house, build this house, build this house. So today I'm ready to build this house right now, but it won't take a long time. You know, the things of Jeremiah for building, the Lord has given me the grace of building. So not that the money is not there, the money is there, but also to build it. But Jeremiah was stubborn. Now I am building now, build it for you all. So every one of you will see how God is going to bless everyone. And love to Jeremiah, whatever you are, I am Prophet Jeremiah. Hey, worry not. It is time for us to now receive the blessings of God. So any place, any parts you have today are watching me right now, and information to every one of you that there. For you to now pass this message to everyone that Jeremiah wants to build his father's house. God bless you. I love you all. It's a blessing. God bless you. Next level.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.